Hello, I'm Dan. Welcome back to another episode of Factorio. So, today we're gonna start off by redoing our coal here a little bit. So, let's pick these up. Oh, they take a long time to pick up. Okay, we're gonna need to pick up these electric poles here temporarily and these belts. Hopefully this won't throw things off too much, but I think we'll be fine. All right, so now what we're gonna do is I've got the two we picked up, plus I've got four others for a total of six. This isn't a huge patch of coal. Um, so like there maybe, and hmm. I just too far. There we go. Um, yeah, that'll do. This one's probably gonna run out first, but it'll be fine. Okay. Actually, we didn't actually quite put these close enough together, did we? Okay, we can solve that. I'm not close enough. Okay, we'll grab these and then we'll put them here. Something like that. Okay. And then okay, so I think we'll actually probably change how this all splits off then too while we're at it. Kind of do it in a slightly more meaningful way right here. So we're going to go here, I guess, and then like that. This one will come over here and go like that. Actually, no, that's not even necessary. We can do this, and it has the same effect. All right, so if we put that there, and then we have to power these there. Here and here and here. There we go. They've all got power. We are producing coal, and we're going to be producing way more coal than we need. But we shouldn't have to worry too terribly much about not ever really having enough, at least for the foreseeable future. Okay, so next step. We need to we're going to rework a lot of this automation so we're not actually putting things in chests or anything like that anymore. Because, again, this was all kind of like just temporary setup stuff. I did just notice I have a ton of coal in my inventory here, and I don't really want that all or any of it. Let's just let's ignore that for the moment. Let's just put these in these things like so, and we've got all this copper we can just put places too. Sure, that'll work. All right, we still have some coal left over, but that's fine. We're gonna be probably picking up more. We'll make some places to dump things so they get put back in at some point. Okay, so we want to. Okay, so these are making iron gear wheels, and these are making science packs. We're actually gonna turn all of this. We're gonna take all of this stuff down, especially the turret one, because we don't need turrets anymore. Oh, those are assembler arms. That's right. I forgot I had made that so we could... or did I repurpose the turret one to be inserters? I can't remember. All right, we're just going to pick all of this stuff up. Our inventory could get a little crowded. But probably not too terribly crowded. Okay, so we're going to pick this up. We're going to leave our ammo producing stuff there for the moment. I don't really want to mess with that. Eventually it's just going to come down because we won't need it anymore. Alright, so now we've got to get rid of these. How did I get 2 lights there? I'm not sure. Alright, we'll pick all this up. There we go. Oh, we missed an arm. Alright, we're going to start with the red science packs first. Let's get rid of, actually, let's get rid of all of the extraneous light poles here. So we're going to start with the red science packs, and then we'll probably move directly into the green ones because we're going to need them soon. And I'd rather get them started now while we've got the space for it. Work them in so that they're going to be right near the red. This is done. Let's just find something else that there we go. Something else that is useful for us at the moment. Okay, so this is where things are going to get a little bit weird, but not too weird. So, we're going to make science packs of the red variety. They take 5.5 seconds to make. They use 1 copper plate and 1 iron gear wheel. So, in the time that it takes to make one of these, we will make like no, it takes 5 seconds to make this. So in the time that it takes to make one of these, we will make 10 of these. So let's see here. For that to equal out, we would need 10 machines producing red science packs, but we don't really want to do 10 machines producing red science packs. It doesn't really seem necessary at all. So we've got a splitter here. Oh, that's not a splitter. All right, let's see here. We've got a splitter. We're going to need, let's just get a couple splitters, and then we'll get a couple underground belts. So we're gonna bus the iron and the copper, and we'll probably bus steel when we get around to steel. So what we're gonna do is right roughly here, we will put our first splitter, and then we will turn it this way and pull off some iron. Okay? Easy enough. So we're going to need one of these guys right here. This is going to be making our iron gear wheels. Okay? One guy making multiple iron gear wheels. And then, let's see here. So, if we're making iron gear wheels there, we're not going to do 10. We don't need 10 of these things. So you're going to collect iron and then you're going to output something. So we will take and do... These guys need copper and the iron gear wheels, right? Yes. So we actually don't need this to come down that far. Though in the future we might, if we're once we remove this stuff, we might need to work in another assembly line here at some point. But for the moment, it's not really necessary. So we're gonna come to like here, okay, and then we can. What we're gonna do is we'll output onto a belt that's going to come down here. So in the future, if we need to use this, we'll just bring this around and down next to our gear wheels. So let's just drag down to there for the moment. Okay, so this is where our iron gear wheels are going to be coming. And then we will be pulling iron gear wheels off of there and then onto here. Do we have smart inserters yet? We do. Okay, excellent. That's going to make this a lot easier. We're going to use 4 of these. So let's set this up a while. 1 fast and a fast, I think. Actually, maybe 2 fasts. One's there. And then this is going to make iron gear wheels. Okay. We're going to need probably some more fast inserters, but that's fine. These are all going to get just 1 on this side, and then this side's going to get 1. Let's make a couple more. There we go. All right, this side's gonna all get 1, and then the thing is that we're gonna actually output the science packs back onto the belt that's got the gear wheels on, and then we'll use the smart inserters to take them back off of that belt. So we need to power all of this. Like there, and there, and then here, and here's probably good enough. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, let's see. So our copper is going to come down about here. So we actually need to put the splitter here. Roughly. So we need to use an underground belt for the iron, like so. Okay, and then we'll remove this guy. And we'll put the splitter here. And let's see, this way. There we go. And now we have copper coming down. I don't think this last one needs there. So there we go. We've got copper coming down, and then these guys are going to make our science packs. Science packs and science packs. All right, so this is where things are going to get a little interesting. We're going to... we're going to put it in chests. Eventually, it's just going to go into... actually, it's just going to go onto a belt, which will go towards our research stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our smart inserter here. I need to organize my hotbar. And the smart inserter is just going to go like right here at the end. And that's going to go onto a belt, which is just going to run this way. Alright, so this guy needs power. So we'll put a pole there. I think I may have frozen the game. Oh, nope, there we go. Figured it out. Alright, so we want to set this guy to science packs. There we go. So that guy's just going to grab science packs. Red science packs right off of there. It doesn't seem to be able to get that one. But that's all right. And then this is full now. But that's also all right. We should put... Why am I doing it this way? Let's shoot these stupid trees out of here. Okay, so that is red science packs. Now we want the green science packs. We're going to put the red and green ones on the same belt. Oh, we're out of shotgun ammo. Let's make some more shotgun ammo. Okay, so we're going to put the red and green ones on the same belt. So we're going to do the green ones over here. Green ones are a lot more complicated. So we need transport belt and inserters. Okay, transport belt is pretty easy. It's just iron and iron gear wheel, iron gear wheels. These make in the exact amount of time it takes to make a iron gear wheel. So it's a 1-to-1 really. And then we need smart inserters, which yeah, it's going to be rough. Okay, we'll have to figure this out. Let's work this through one step at a time. So let's start with the transport belt. So we're going to need iron. So let's say if this is going to be the transport belt, we need a gap here. So that's that. Then we need another gap here. And then, let's see, rotate. So actually, this guy's going to go here. And we're going to bring the iron down this way. Okay, so this first one is going to be iron gear wheels. And that's going to need... Let's get rid of these long-handed inserters off of our bar. Let's get rid of the lights off of our bar for the moment. And the turrets. Okay, so we need a space for an inserter. And then we're going to put this guy here. Okay. And then from there, we are going to, let's see, we're going to need some more fast inserters. So we're not going to bus anything we don't really need to bus. I don't want to have a big bus set up. Like, we could produce iron gear wheels and bus them to everything that needed iron gear wheels, because there's a lot of things that need the iron gear wheels, but I don't really want to do that. Alright, so this is going to need iron. Okay, and then we need to output this into, let's see, what do these take? These take iron gear wheels and electronic circuits. Okay. So the transport belts, I guess will output... We could output it to a belt and then belt it down to our final thing. Yeah, I guess we'll output this to a belt. Okay, so belt's going to go here. We do need iron like the whole way through this setup. So we're going to have to bring iron down, and we're going to have to work around everything else. Okay, so inserters. Iron plates, iron gear wheels, and electronic circuits. Electronic circuits are iron plates and copper cable. Okay, and then copper cable is just copper. Okay, so if we go here for copper cable, like so. All right, and then the copper cable will go into the circuit production. And we're going to need some more of these guys. Okay, so the copper cable is going to go into circuit production. Circuit production needs iron. There we go. All right, and then the circuit production is going to go into the inserters, which are going to, let's see, so we'll put the inserter, so this is going to go down here into our inserter. Okay, and then the inserter needs iron plates and iron gear wheels. So we can get our iron plates here, and then I think what we're going to do, we're going to have to do some like trickery, weird things here. What am I doing? Get out of here, tree. Get out of here. Okay, so all right, how do we do this? We need to get iron gear wheels into this guy. And then we need to get these things out of this guy. We don't actually need out of this guy and into the one that's going to be actually making the science onto a belt, I'm going to say, because yeah, these things don't actually take that long to make. So maybe how are we going to do this? I'm not sure. It's going to be tough. Oh, actually, I have an idea. These are going to go this way. We're probably not going to need copper after, like, what's the last thing? Okay, so we don't actually need copper after this one. Well, these guys need copper, but we don't need copper after there. So we're going to bring the belt down this way. So let's actually start doing that. Belt's going to come to here. It's going to turn. Then we're going to use underground belt to here. And then we can bring the belt down to here. Turn, and there's our belt. Let's power some of this up a while so we can get the... There's that. Oh, we need another one of these guys here. Okay, so let's power, like I said, let's power this up a while. I don't think we need this guy. Put that there. And then we'll put like this here. And then this is going to make iron gear wheels, and this is going to make transport belts. Just so we can see which side these end up on. Okay. Now this, Actually, let's power this all up. Let's start powering things up here. Here, and then... Not there. Probably going to need a multiple here. So here. Okay. So this one is making copper wire. This one is making electronic circuits. This one is making inserters. Okay, so now we need one here. All right, and then we need 2 more of those. And then this one is going to make the gear wheels. I think I can grab from there. More gear wheels. Okay. And then last but not least, well, not last, actually. That's going to go there. That's going to go there. And now we're getting inserters. Okay. So I think we need 4. And we have 3. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. 1, 2, 3. We need some more iron. 4. We'll do 4 to match the 4 over there. All right, 4. So now we need 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So actually, we're gonna need more than that. Now that I think about it, 2. 2. Oh. Rock in the way. More trees in the way. And we're actually running out of time in the episode. I hope I'm not shooting anything I shouldn't be. Okay, let's get this done quick. There, and then there. And then actually, let's do. Is there enough room? I don't think there's enough room. All right. Change of plans. Slight change of plans. We need iron. Two, 3, 4. We had plenty. All right, let's pick these guys back up. I need to make sure I've got enough room to put down power lines, because I'd rather not export this stuff to the other side, because then I have to run them an extra long amount of space. So we're gonna leave space in between each of them for power lines. Okay, so we will have an inserter, long inserter, long inserter, long inserter, long inserter. And then these guys will go here, 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 and here. Okay, now we need power lines. So power lines are going to go like this. Okay, and then something like that, and then something like this. Okay, now we just need to tell these what to make. So, green science packs. And then this is going to make green science packs. Green and green. Everything seems to be making. And we've got one. Awesome. So let's just hook this up here. Ran out of belts, huh? Don't worry, we will automate belts somewhere separately. In a way that later, when we don't need this regular belt anymore and we can upgrade to the faster belts, that we can just kind of build on top of what we've already built. Okay, so these are actually coming in on the wrong side. I had a feeling that might happen. So what we need to do is we need to bring this back a little bit further. And we need to put something like this here. And then if we get rid of that and we do this, now they should be coming in on the proper side. Excellent. Excellent. All right, well, that'll actually do it for this episode. If you like the video, click like and subscribe. And make sure to check out our weekly Wednesday stream show thing. I played Factorio last week. Not this save, but I started up a different game for the stream. And yeah, if you like the video, click like. I think I already said that already. And we'll see you next time for more Factorio. Thanks for watching. Bye.